Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer, for those of you who do not already know, so why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and at the end of this video, if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up for me, okay? So today I'm going to be testing out newer products and some older products that I have in my makeup collection, and I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because today is not a good eyebrow day at all. I washed them off 3 times and put them back on, and they still look like not the best, but thankfully I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. So the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using today is the BH Cosmetics Trending in Tokyo palette. But first I'm going to be using, I use this as a primer. I don't know if that's really what it's for. It's the Glow Ahead Illuminator by Wonder Beauty. I just put it all over, that's what I use it for. And just to show y'all, it's like that pinky shimmery shade. I want my nose to be shimmery, of course. Blues over here. I'm going to be putting this shade in my crease. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. It's blended, and I'm going very light-handed in this because this is the second time me doing my eyeshadow also, because I didn't like how it looked the first time. So I'm just trying to be very gentle and not put too much on where it blends out. See, I put a little bit more on this side, and it's blending and a little bit more opaque since I'm going a little bit heavier handed. Too much, but just enough. Now I'm just going to sit and just blend this for a minute. Make sure there's no hard edges, no nothing like that. Y'all know I'm really kind of irritated. I can't go to my boyfriend's house. Like, it sucks. It really sucks. I was like, Mom, can I please go? She said, what? Like, I just want to go see him. And put this on the outer V. I'll try that with my finger. I bet that would be a whole lot better. Oh, that is so pretty. And then I'm going to take a blending brush, same blending brush I used. Well, actually, I'm going to put some more of this on. And just blend this together so it does not look unblended. And then I'm going to put some more on because that kind of, sometimes, when you blend shadows, it kind of like goes away. It's kind of what it did, but I can still work with those shades, so that's not a problem. I just want it blended in my crease. Then I'm going to take this shade called Lively. Look how pretty that is, though. Ooh, my gosh. Just the FYI. And then I'm just gonna... Oh goodness, y'all, today I'm actually gonna be trying wing liner, and just to let you know, I suck at wing liner. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing like I did to this eye, to this eye. Okay, not gonna lie, that took forever. Which this is new to me. I tried it the other day and I didn't really like it, but I'm gonna give it another chance.
Shit. I think it's a little bit too light. Yeah, that.
Eyeshadow look actually matches my shirt. The coat.
That's kind of funny.
This, and y'all know I do not like to wet mine. I don't like to like soak mine, but I'm actually gonna be like wetting it with the Scandinavia just a little bit. Because I like it a little wet, I just don't like mine fully damp. This Maybelline Dream Camouflage Concealer. It's just the one that you do like this. And just put this all under my eyes. And I'm actually going to be trying cream contouring also. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, no, I love to do that. In here is just literally perfect today. I'm just going to zoom in so y'all can just see that I'm literally just patting. This palette that I got for free in my BoxyCharm, I used it the other day, and you know, I only used it once, so I don't have much to say about it. So first, I'm going to take this shade right here. This is just a highlight shade, just to brighten up this under eye. I wish this palette had a mirror too, but it does not, which is kind of annoying. But, you know, it is what it is. And then I'm going to be taking this shade and using this concealer brush. And, oof. Obviously, y'all can tell I got a big old forehead, and I like to contour that, but it's just like I can't seem to make that kind of go away. Y'all, I don't even know why I try to mess with my nose. I really have a small nose. I don't know why I like to mess with it so much. And I'm just going to dab this in. Same thing on my forehead. I wish this would have been a powder palette instead of a cream, but it's okay. Everybody's different. I've never worked with cream contour. Obviously, y'all know I can't contour to begin with, but you know. Okay, that looks good to me. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's so weird because like it's backwards. And then y'all already know I'm going to be using my Peach Perfect powder by Too Faced. I'm sorry, I'm stuffy, like my nose is running. Okay, well this isn't really fake, but y'all know, I'm just patting this under my eyes. And then I'm going to be using something totally new for the face, which I am kind of upset about, just for the fact that I love Casey Holmes and I wanted to get it. But y'all look, it says limited edition, but they still have it. See, the highlighter came in shattered, but it is what it is. So we're going to go in with this brush, and we're going to go in with the shade Butter Bronzer. Okay, obviously that's way too much, so we're just gonna kind of like dab. Barely dab it and make sure you tap everything off. I'm gonna take a powder brush and hopefully, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, y'all. I'm so mad. I guess I'm just gonna blend it out. That did blend out nicely, but please, do not do what I did. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get another brush, this brush, and just blend this out over here. Let me get closer. And then we're gonna use that blush. Oh my gosh, I hope I do not put a lot on. I'm gonna be so mad. Yeah, this came from Physicians Formula. I thought it was so crazy that they still had it. I'm gonna take this, barely put any on. Ooh, y'all see that? That's so pretty. I've had the butter bronzer multiple times before, but each time I had it, I always dropped it and shattered it. Okay, and now we're gonna take this highlighter and just, oof. Like, okay, we see you, girl. I was very surprised they still had this palette, just because, like I said, I don't think it's been a year and a half. I do think it has been like maybe half a year or a year. I'm not quite sure, but I went on Physicians Formula website and they still had it. I think the post office people shattered my stuff. Okay, y'all know I'm just going to do the same thing as every other day and just blend this out.
Make sure there's no harsh lines on my face.
And I'm going to go back in with this palette. Oof. And I'm going to use this shade, this blue shade, and just put this under my lid over here, under my lash. Take the darker shade and literally do the exact same thing. Yeah, I'm literally so scared to do winged eyeliner, and if this turns out awful, I'm gonna be so mad because I actually really do love this eyeshadow. Never done blue because I don't think it makes my green eyes pop out. But, you know, watch me mess this up. I'm gonna be so mad. I'm not even gonna lie. But it is what it is, you know? You gotta practice. Oh my gosh. That does not look so bad. Okay. I don't think it does anyway. I know a lot of y'all are probably going to be like, it looks awful, and I'm going to be like, please be nice. Okay, for me doing liquid eyeliner with a wing for like 4 years, I don't think this looks extremely bad. I think this one looks better. Should I try to fill that one in a little bit more? I think so. Watch me ruin this. And then we're going to use this is, I think, the Man Eater by Tarte, a really good mascara. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how good this one is. This one needs some work, but this one's pretty good. Comment down below if you think this is okay. I need to buy the full size of this, but I already looked into what's in my Ipsy box, and I know that I have a mascara coming, so that's really awesome. Okay, so here's the eyes. I don't know which one I want to use. What shade is this? I don't think they have names on them. They do not have names on them. So, just this shade. And this is the healthy lip. Oof. And then it comes with a lip topper. And then this is the Healthy Lip Transformer. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty color. And I'm going to put this on it. I'm just going to put this in the middle. And please give this video a thumbs up, okay? And comment down below what other videos y'all would like to see. Because, like, I love doing makeup. And that's about it. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video.